Even if there are hundreds around us, we can't see them. But this is somewhat how the coronavirus looks like. Its genetic or the main material is protected by this layer of fat covering, and it has spike proteins. The virus uses these spike proteins to attach itself to any surface like hands, clothes, doorbell, handles, cutlery, किसी भी चीज में attach हो जाता है, and then it waits for a host. When the virus enters our body, it tricks our immune system to make it believe that it is a part of our body. Otherwise, the immune system will immediately destroy it. So after tricking, the virus tries to reach the lungs, it attaches itself there and multiplies rapidly until our immune system recognizes it and wages a war. During this time, we may be asymptomatic, meaning have the virus and no symptoms, or we may develop a few symptoms like tiredness, cold and cough, shortness of breath, fever, headache, loss of smell, loss of taste, and confusion. If you think or suspect you have COVID-19, consult a doctor, get a test done, follow all the instructions that they say. Do not ignore your symptoms, do not ignore your doctor's advice, because serious infection by the coronavirus may lead to pneumonia and even death. In most cases, COVID-19 is mild and your doctor may recommend home quarantine. And if you're in home quarantine with mild to very mild symptoms of COVID-19, it is very important to keep yourself well nourished, because healthy food makes your immune system stronger. I'll be giving you a few diet tips that you can follow during COVID-19. But before I do that, I'm Sangeeta Narayan. I'm a dietitian and a fitness consultant, and you're on the N Health Lifestyle channel. Do not skip meals. Now is when your body needs nourishment to strengthen your immune system, to fight the coronavirus, to repair, renew, and regenerate new healthy cells due to the damage caused by the coronavirus. When you miss meals, you deprive your body of nourishment, that too at a time when it needs it the most. Have a balanced diet. Start your day with a healthy breakfast like poha, chila, upma, idli. Take proper lunch and dinner like roti, dal, sabzi, etc. Have healthy in-between snacks like makhana, nuts, fruits, etc. Avoid deep-fried foods, spicy foods, junk foods, excess salt and sugar in your diet. They cause inflammations and weaken your immune system. Do not smoke. Do not take alcohol. Here are some foods that you can include in your diet during mild COVID-19 symptoms post-checking with your doctor. These foods reduce inflammation and ease your symptoms. Even if you don't have COVID-19, you can still include them to boost your immunity. The first one is moringa or drumstick leaf. Moringa is a superfood and is also heart healthy. It is an excellent source of carotenes which get converted into vitamin A. Moringa is also a very good source of vitamin C. Both are powerful antioxidants that fight free radical damage. This drink boosts your immunity and makes you strong from inside. You can make the juice from fresh moringa leaves, or you can use moringa leaf powder if fresh leaves are not available. Take 1 teaspoon of moringa leaf powder, add 1/3 glass of water to it and consume it. You can even add drumstick leaves or its powder to your dal, sabzi, smoothies and soup. Have giloy. Giloy fights respiratory problems, reduces pains, inflammation, cold, cough and strengthens your immunity. Take a small stem of giloy, tulsi leaves, 2 glasses of water, pepper to taste, grated ginger and 2 cloves. Except pepper, boil all the ingredients till water is half and the color changes. Then add pepper and consume it. The next food you should include in your diet is tomato. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a very powerful antioxidant which has anti-inflammatory properties. Tomatoes are beneficial for people with asthma. Remove the seeds before adding the tomatoes to your sabzi, dal, soup, etc. Have green leafy vegetables, eggs, whole grains, nuts. These foods are rich in vitamin E and they protect body cell tissues from destruction. Include soups in your diet. All types of soup like pumpkin soup, carrot soup, chicken soup, mixed veg soup, tomato soup will really comfort you, soothe your symptoms, clear your throat and nourish you. Add pepper to your soup because pepper eases cough, chest congestion and headaches. Have haldi doodh. A cup of haldi doodh relieves sore throat, cough and cold. Turmeric has curcumins which fight inflammation, reduces pains, strengthens immunity and is also very good for your liver. To make this, you need 1 cup of milk, haldi powder, pepper powder, grated ginger, Ginger contains gingerol and shogal, which have antioxidant properties and reduces pain. Take clove, cinnamon, and cardamom. Boil the milk, add the ingredients, boil for another 2 minutes, strain it, and have it. Have fruits as a mid-morning or mid-afternoon snack. Fruits are a storehouse of vitamins and minerals. They give you antioxidants to fight free radical damage, they reduce inflammation and protect your health. Include citrus fruits to increase vitamin C in your diet and boost your immunity. Stay hydrated. Take plenty of fluid, minimum 6 to 8 glasses of water. Warm water eases your throat and helps you heal faster. Have healthy food as much as possible. Remember, each one of us are unique and certain foods may react differently on some. Do not have any food that gives you an allergy or ends up giving you cold and cough. And before I go, for all the ones who are near the COVID patient, your family, friends, colleagues, neighbors, shower them with all the love and affection and understanding possible once they are out of their quarantine. Do not discriminate with them. Let's all unite and fight the coronavirus together. Thanks for watching our video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Leave your comments, likes and share the video. Bye-bye.